This miracle drink is recommended by experts. Each sip reduces cholesterol levels. First, you need to know that the main ingredient in this homemade potion is the super healthy parsley. Well, parsley stimulates the elimination of all harmful toxins from the human body, and it also improves the blood circulation. When it's combined with lemon, it significantly reduces the levels of bad cholesterol in the blood. Cholesterol and triglycerides are the fats in the blood. Without them, life would be unthinkable, but if they are found in high amounts in the blood, then they can become one of the major risk factors for cardiovascular disease. It is important for all of us to realize that these two are changeable risk factor. So you can affect them by simple lifestyle changes, healthy diet, smoking cessation, exercise, or get the appropriate medical therapy, if it's needed. But you shouldn't be worried, because you can reduce the bad cholesterol levels in all natural way, by drinking Tis All Natural Lemon and Parsley Potion. We all know that parsley is a great ally for the human health. Parsley contains natural essential oils and flavonoids and vitamin C, A and K, so it is highly recommended to consume parsley during the cold and flu season. Besides that, we can also mention that parsley stimulates the elimination and flushing all harmful toxins from the body, and it improves the blood circulation. And when parsley is combined with lemon, it reduces the levels of bad cholesterol significantly. This potion is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instruction. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 5 liters of water, 3 laces parsley, 1 kilogram of lemon, baking soda. Directions: in order to remove the dirt and all harmful pesticides from the peel, you need to rub the lemon with baking soda. And we recommend to get a homegrown organic lemons. But if you can't find any, then you should rub its peel with baking soda and then leave it in salt water for 5 minutes. You need to boil the water and allow it to cool down. After that, slice the lemon in pieces, chop parsley, and add everything into the cooled water. Then you need to cover it and leave it for 24 hours in the refrigerator. The next day you need to stir this mixture well and pour the liquid in glass bottle. Make sure you consume about 1 deciliter of this juice every day. You will be amazed by the results. Just after few weeks, your cholesterol levels will be significantly reduced. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.